Welcome to AFRIMERGE Technology Limited today.
What if Africa didn't have to depend on imported drone technology anymore? What if the solutions to Africa's security and agricultural challenges were built right here by African engineers for African realities? Today, we take you inside AFRIMERGE Limited, an African technology company building drones from scratch, not as experiments, but as solutions. This is not just about flying machines. This is about innovation, security, food, and the future of Africa. Who is AFRIMERGE Limited? AFRIMERGE Limited is a technology-driven African company focused on innovation, digital skills, and advanced engineering solutions. With a clear vision to empower Africa through technology, AFRIMERGE is proving that world-class innovation does not have to come from outside the continent. One of those innovations is drone technology, designed, assembled, and tested with African challenges in mind. Building a drone is not magic, it is engineering. At AFRIMERGE Limited, the process begins with design and planning. Engineers study the purpose of the drone. How long should it fly? How far should it go? What environment will it operate in? Next comes component selection. High-efficiency motors for stable flight, propellers designed for balance and lift, flight controllers that act as the drone's brain, GPS modules for navigation and tracking, batteries optimized for longer endurance. Each component is carefully selected and assembled by trained engineers. Once assembled, the drone is programmed, teaching it how to stabilize itself, follow commands, and respond to its environment. Finally, the drone goes through rigorous testing, ground tests, short flight tests, and full operational flights. Every successful takeoff proves one thing: Africa can build advanced technology. Drones and security in Africa. One of the biggest challenges facing Africa today is security. From border monitoring to community surveillance, drones provide a powerful solution. AFRIMERGE drones can monitor large and hard-to-reach areas, provide real-time area visibility, support security agencies with faster response, and reduce risks to human patrol teams. Instead of relying solely on ground patrols, drones gave a bird's-eye view, helping detect threats early and improve safety. This is not about fear, it is about prevention, protection, and intelligence. Transforming agriculture with drones. Agriculture feeds Africa, yet many farmers struggle with low yields and unseen problems. Drone technology changes that. With AFRIMERGE drones, farmers can monitor crops from the air, detect pest infestations and diseases early, map farmlands accurately, reduce waste, and improve productivity. Instead of guessing, farmers get data. Instead of reacting late, they act early. This leads to higher yields, lower losses, better food security. Drone technology is not replacing farmers, it is empowering them. Why this matters for Africa? When Africa builds its own technology, it controls its future. AFRIMERGE Limited is not just building drones, it is building capacity, confidence, and innovation. This is proof that African companies can design, engineer, and deploy world-class solutions for African problems. This is only the beginning. From security to agriculture, from innovation to impact, AFRIMERGE Limited is redefining what African technology can achieve. Subscribe to follow this journey, because the future of Africa is not imported, it is built here.